Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, life, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is guidance. Leo, even the king needs a wise man, a wise woman to advise them through sticky situations, hard situations. But a good king, a good queen, a great ruler, they listen. They understand when wisdom is being spoken and given to them, and they exercise it, because we all don't always have the answers. Though you have many answers, it's always great to have someone that you cherish and you actually have a great high regard for, and you can trust their words of wisdom. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light in my being. It's time to tap into your prayer life, meditation life, going out into the elements, taking a walk, asking for guidance. And as you have two ears and one mouth, it's time to listen. And when the download comes in, when your intuition, when you hear that knowledge springs into action, it's time to believe in it, walk in it, and use it. I'm directed to doors that will open my inner freedom, and also step forward in trust. Step forward in trust and faith. Faith without works are dead. It's time to put in that work once again. And I realize I release my fate to God, and my faith is rewarded. So by being obedient and listening and putting that faith into action, that work into action, you shall be rewarded for your efforts. Isn't that great? Those are amazing results. So love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.